This last week, I spoke a lot about the time of the year that it is right now. We're now in June. If you haven't written a contract that's been accepted and is going to close in the next 30 days, what you have sold this year is done for the first half. Anything that you haven't got in contract yet is not going to close in the first half. So what that means is the month of June for any business like ours should be considered halftime. Just like in a football game or in a basketball game, halftime is extremely important whether you're winning or losing. Reevaluate what's gone right, what's gone wrong, improvements and adjustments that you can make. If you are ahead of the game, not to let your foot off the gas. Need to catch up, then you need to know what it is that you need to do in order to catch up. You really got to sit down with yourself and your team. Look at where did the transactions that you did close come from? How did you get those? And what can you do to increase those numbers? What things are you doing that you thought were going to bring in business that aren't? Or what things are you doing that you thought were going to be productive but aren't? And try to manage that as best as you can going into the second half. So halftime is integral in sports, and so is it in business.